Hi, I'm Charlie Taublieb. I'm a screen printing consultant. One of the items that I'm a big fan of is the Double Squeegee and also the Roller Squeegee. And one of the problems that printers run into, or challenges that printers run into, is not knowing how to use them appropriately. So there are a couple of things that you really should be doing, especially with the Double Squeegee. First thing, the angle that it has to go into your press is based on the two blades touching the screen at the same time. Creates a 15-degree angle. So if you have like an MHM machine, you can set it to 15 degrees. If you have an M&R machine or any of the others, you can certainly approximate that. What you're looking for is, without ink in the screen, the two blades need to be touching. When you print, what should happen is this front blade should curl to the point where it actually touches the back blade, and the back blade should have just a gentle curve to it. At that point, you're probably maxed out, and what you're going to see is a decent deposit of ink and a nice clear print. Squeegee speed. I kind of run mine to a slow to medium speed. I'm not trying to fly through it. I'm trying to set up a situation where there's consistency between flood and print. So as the print is finished, the flash has also just gone off and starts to index, and that's where Roller Squeegee comes into play. So the role of the Roller Squeegee is to take that hot ink, which is still pliable, and flatten it by using a hard Teflon sheet on the underside of the screen. As the roller goes over this, it's going to flatten the print and allow for all the subsequent colors to come on top of a flat, hard surface that'll give you great detail and vibrancy by keeping the fiber down and keeping the ink flat. The Teflon sheet is not the type of Teflon sheet you would use in a transfer machine. It's a harder, by harder, that doesn't mean it isn't flexible, but it actually has some dimension to it, and it's perfectly smooth as opposed to having the fabric pattern in it. So that's what the actual Teflon would look like if you were to take it off of this. There's an adhesive that's built onto this, and you still need to have tape around the edging so that nothing starts to peel up on you. As far as the roller, it goes into your squeegee holder just as any other squeegee would. It is not used for printing. It's merely used for flattening the print, but you don't need excessive pressure. Why do I need one of these? Okay, so the number one challenge in printing on dark shirts is to get a good underlay and to get it at a fairly quick pace. So what a double squeegee will do is put down as much ink as a double stroke would, maybe even a little more, but it'll put it down in a very clean way. In other words, your halftones, if you're doing halftone work, are going to stay nice and crisp. By printing, flashing, and then rolling my print, I'm going to create a really smooth surface so that everything else that comes down is a little bit crisper. And when my second white comes down, because generally your underlay is going to be a white, it's going to be seriously white and smooth. And so you eliminate two situations. One, you have the vibrancy you want, and number two, any of the shirts that are very fibery are going to get the fiber knocked down. You're going to see less of it standing up. By seeing less of it standing up, you're going to see a much more vibrant color, and you're going to get wonderful clarity.